morning to one and all. Welcome to Venkatesan Chemistry YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about applications of first order reaction, and the third one is decomposition of N2O5 in liquid phase. In that particularly CCl4 carbon tetrachloride phase. So in that decomposition of N2O5 in carbon tetrachloride CCl4 phase decomposition, and N2O5 will be decomposed to 2 moles of NO2 plus half mole of O2 at a particular time t equals to 0. Initial concentration is A, and this one is a 0 and a 0 product. At a particular time t minutes, this is A minus x and 2x and x by 2 at a particular time finite, and you will get that this is in completely consumed. This will become as a 0, 2a and a by 2, right? So I can this progress of the reaction can be measured by finding the volume of oxygen gas, right? The progress of the reaction can be measured by finding the volume of oxygen in this reaction. Generally at V infinity, volume of oxygen gas at infinite is directly proportional to the A by 2, and the volume of, from this one actually the rate constant equation I want only a so that you can take this is an A is directly proportional to 2 moles of V infinity mole. Okay, and in the same way, so at a particular time Vt is directly proportional to the, this is an x by 2, so but I want here only a x, so x is directly proportional to 2 times of this is an Vt. Okay, so in the rate constant first order rate constant equation, log A by A minus x, A is there, A minus x I want here, A minus x is directly proportional to, A is a 2V infinity ma, so that is an x is nothing but that is a 2Vt, so that you can write a rate constant equation, so k is equals to, that is a 2.303 by t. This is a log A by A minus x is a simple first order rate constant. Okay, so we can write this is in k is equals to, so 2.303 by t. This is a log, so here A is nothing but that you can write down as a 2V infinity, and A minus x, in this one you can take the 2 is a common, and 2 into this is in V infinity minus this is a Vt ma, 2 will get cancelled here, and the rate constant is that is a 2.303 by t. This is a log, I can write this is in a V infinity minus this is a V infinity minus Vt is a rate constant for the decomposition of N2O5 in liquid phase now, right? V infinity is the volume of oxygen gas at infinite time, and this is a x, and Vt is nothing but volume of oxygen gas at a particular time. Fourth application is the decomposition of N2O5 in a gaseous phase, right? So this is a N2O5 in gaseous phase that will be decomposed into the 2 moles of NO2 of gas plus this is a half mole of 1 by 2 mole of this is in oxygen gas, right? So N2O5 in gaseous phase, it will be decomposed into the 2 moles of NO2 gas as well as a half mole of oxygen gas at T is equals to 0, and its initial pressure is a P0, and this will become as a 0 and this one will become as a 0 at T is equals to T minutes, and I can write this is in a, this is a P0 minus x, and this one is a simply a 2 x, this is a x by 2, right? So at a time t is equals to infinite time, and this one will become as a P0 minus this is a P0 that equals to 0, and this will become as a 2 P0, and this is in a P0 divided by 2. Okay, 2 P0 as well as this is a P0 by 2 at infinite time. At infinite time, so I can write this is in P total as a P infinity ma. This P infinity is nothing but that is a sum of the partial pressure of N2O5, NO2 as well as the O2. This is 0 plus 2P naught plus this is in P naught by 2. Okay, so I can write this is a, take the LCM here, this is in P infinity is equals to, so this is a 5 by here 4 by 2 we can write plus half, that means this is in 5 by 2, this is a P naught. Okay, so I want only a P naught here, you can make the subject of the formula 2 by 5, this is a P infinity is a simple one mark. So this is a P naught is equals to 2 by 5, that is a P infinity. Okay, so at a particular time, so at t minutes, it's t minutes, so we know that total pressure is P naught minus x plus 2x, sum of the partial pressure of N2O5, NO2 as well as oxygen. So that I can write here P total is equals to, so that is in P naught minus x plus that is in 2x plus this is x by 2. Okay, so you can take this is in P total is equals to, this is minus x here plus 2x is there, that means this is in P naught min plus so this is in 2x minus x, x plus x by 2, that is in 3x by 2. So you can take this one as a 3x by 2 this side, that is equals to P total minus this is in P naught. Okay, so but I want only a here x, so x is equals to, that is in 2 by 3 of this is a P total minus this is a P naught. So this is a simple one ma. So here x is equals to 2 by 3, P total minus P naught is a simple one, and from this I can find even in the case of this is a rate constant for the first order reaction, we will write down the R is equals to 2.303 by T log A by A minus X. A is the initial concentration, but here initial pressure is a P naught, so that I can write here, so directly this K is equals to, we will write down this is a 2.303 by T, here it is a log this is a P naught divided by this is a P naught minus X. Okay, that P naught minus X separate you can find this is a P naught minus X, P naught minus X. Why? Because P naught value is a 2 by 5 P naught, this is a 2 by 5 P infinity minus X value is a, this is a 2 by 3, so this is a P total minus this is a P naught. This P naught minus X I can expand this one ma, this P naught as usual I can write minus 2 by 3 of this is a PT plus this is a 2 by 3 of this is a P naught. Okay, 2 by 3 P naught, here P naught, actually this is going to be a 5 by 3 P naught minus this is a 2 by 3, so this is going to be P total. So P naught you can substitute here 2 by 5, so that means here 5 by 3 into this is a 2 by 5, this is a P naught minus this is a 2 by 3 P total, 5 will get cancelled here, simply you can take this is a 2 by 3, this is a P naught minus this is a 2 by 3, so P total ma. Okay, so constant this P naught value and the P naught minus X values you can substitute in the rate constant equation ma. K is equals to, that is a 2.303 divided by, there it is a T log, so instead of P naught I can write down the 2 by 5, this is in P infinity, so divided by this is a P naught minus X value, you will get as a 2 by 3, you can take common in both, this is a 2 by 3, this is a P, sorry, this is a P infinity, here also this is in a P infinity ma. So why? Because here P naught is nothing but 2 by 5 P infinity, so that 2 by 5 P infinity you can substitute P naught value you can substitute in the here 2 by 5 P infinity ma, 5 will get cancelled here, 2 by 3 P infinity minus 2 by 3 PT you will get. Okay, now and this P naught minus X and even this P naught value you can substitute in this equation, that is equals to K is equals to 2.303 by T log this P naught I can write down the 2 by 5 P infinity minus this P naught minus X value is a P 2 by 3 P naught P infinity minus this is the P total. So 2 will get cancelled here and it will be reversed so that I can write this is the 2.303 by T. This is the log. This is the 3P infinity by this is enough 5 of this is a 5P infinity minus this is enough YT. So this is a rate constant for the decomposition of N2O5 in gaseous phase.